Tonight, Ras Al Khaimah has once again dazzled the world with a record-breaking drone and fireworks display. I'm so excited to announce this marks the 6th year in a row our New Year's Eve show has set 2 Guinness World Records titles. We are even more proud that it delivered an amazing visual experience that celebrated our natural landscapes, rich culture, and bold ambitions. With the theme, Our Story in the Sky, the show was a tribute to the journey that brought us here. 2024 was a year of incredible achievements for our emirate, cementing its place on the global map as a great place to visit and call home. As we step into 2025, we're excited to build on these achievements and create even more memorable experiences to inspire and connect people from around the world.